I want to show you a recap from a trade I took this morning that really ties back to the MACD video that I posted recently, because this was a really nice setup that we got. So I had already taken along on the ES futures, and I was watching the SPY chart because even though I'm trading the S&P 500 futures, I like to watch the underlying ETF, which in this case is the SPY or the spiders. And I used to trade options on this like crazy. I still do trade options on this, but at the New York Open, a lot of the time I'm really focused on day trading the futures for a quick little super high leverage scalp. So I did take along that I will explain in a future video, but right now I want to talk about this short because this was really a nice clean MACD setup. So we made this new high on the spiders, and you can see it on the mode roll too. This is looking at the lower time frame MACDs, and they started to fall apart. But at the same time, this is the 15-minute MACDs here, and this one put in a divergence. So we made a new high on price, but we did not make a new high on the MACDs, which really kind of put me in a mode where I was looking for a short, even though I was still relatively bullish on the day, given that we're kind of putting in this new structure. But what happened is we made that move into an hourly level that I was watching, which in this case was the 69.71 level, which I'd really kind of made into a zone from 70 up to 75. But when we take a look at this on a lower time frame chart, here we are on the S&P 500 minis on a 5-minute chart, and here's that level and zone that we were watching up there, the 69.71. At this point, we have a trend line that's potentially breaking at a key level. That's our Stampede setup. There's a video about that. And we have that 15-minute SPY ETF that is not confirming this high up here on ES. So what do we get? We get kind of two trade setups in one, and we get a little short. I did get a small piece of the short. I didn't get the whole thing. That's all right. When you're trading really highly leveraged products like the S&P 500, you don't need to get a very big move to get a really nice profit out of it. So that was the trade that we were looking at this morning. I want to share more about this trade with y'all at this month's Lunch and Learn in the Discord, January 16th during lunch. It's a free event for our Ranch Hand members, which is a free level. So go ahead and come on into the Discord and join us. I'd love to see you there, or you can pop into my other videos and check those out as well. Look for the Stampede setup and the MACD video, and that's what helped me get into this trade today. All right, join me on the next one. Love you. Bye.